Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the crystallized mutation fish in Fish It. So the crystallized mutation fish is one of the missions that you need to do in the quest. And in here I got this the rare tire fish amethyst snapper with crystallized mutation. So if you want to know how to get it, you can just watch this video. So first, to get the crystallized mutation, you need to make sure that you fish inside the crystal depths, and then don't forget, before you start fishing, you need to activate the cave crystals. So if you don't have it, you need to find it first. So what you need to do to activate it, you can just hold it on your hand and then just click on anywhere and it will be activated automatically. And after that, you can also boost your luck by using luck totem or mutation totem to have a better chance of getting the crystallized mutations. So that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.